What's the meaning of convenience? Convenience. Convenience.
Convenience. Convenience. Convenience refers to the state of being easy, comfortable, and trouble-free. It can also imply a situation or feature that makes things more convenient and less challenging. Convenience is a crucial aspect of modern life, resulting in an array of technological advancements such as online shopping, digital banking, and home delivery services. The convenience mindset drives the development of consumer products and services that simplify daily tasks, reduce effort, and save time. Overall, convenience enhances the quality of life by eliminating obstacles and streamlining processes.